Hey all, welcome back. So this is our second video in the robotics learning journey where we will be showcasing how to make a virtual robot using the BBrain and drag and drop programming. For programming, we are using the app called Codeit. Let's begin. For that, go to Creator. There you can see a small Bluetooth icon. Click that for connecting the BBrain. A brief explanation about connecting is there in the previous video. If you guys didn't watch it, consider watching it. So, in the previous video, we discussed about this button. As you can see, there's another button here, which is reset. This button will restart the brain. So if you guys have any issues while running or connecting, retry after pressing this button. Now let's program. First, go to the movement section. You can see an orientation widget. Drag and drop it here. If we click the orientation widget, you can change the color or increase the size, which means you can customize as you like. At the bottom, you can see a run button. Click that. Now, if we move our BBrain, the face of the robot moves too. And once I keep it here, the robot also lays down. So this was our virtual robot. So in the next video, we will make it even more interesting. We will make it talk. So consider subscribing so you won't miss it and many more. Until that, take care and bye-bye.